Okay, imagine this. A star dies. It's gone, cold, just floating in space, but then, suddenly, it comes back to life and explodes. Yeah, that's a real thing in space. They're called zombie stars, and they are way creepier and cooler than you think. So here's the deal. When a normal star like our sun runs out of fuel, it dies. But instead of going out with a bang, it kind of shrinks down into this tiny, super dense thing called a white dwarf. It's like a star's ghost, small, dim, and just kind of chilling in space. But here's where it gets wild. This dead star can actually start feeding off another star nearby. Like, literally sucking material off its neighbor. Super vampire vibes. Now picture this. The white dwarf keeps feeding and feeding until it hits a limit, kind of like space's version of, you can't eat anymore without bursting. And then, boom, it explodes in a massive Type Ia supernova, one of the brightest explosions in the universe. This is the zombie star's final act. It came back from the dead just to go out in a blaze of glory. So why should you care about exploding undead stars? They help us measure the universe. Type Ia supernovae are like cosmic mile markers. We use them to figure out how fast the universe is expanding. They create heavy elements, like iron and nickel, the stuff in your blood and phone. So technically, part of you could come from a zombie star. Get this. Sometimes, two white dwarfs spiral into each other, and both explode. Double zombie apocalypse. In space. Imagine being a planet orbiting nearby. That's not just a bad day. That's a deleted existence. Zombie stars aren't just spooky space trivia. They're part of the reason you exist. So next time someone says space is boring, tell them it's got exploding undead stars that eat their neighbors. You're welcome. Thumbs up like if you're into space mystery. Speech balloon. Comment your favorite weird space fact. Flying saucer. Subscribe for more cosmic weirdness every week.